Hello everyone! Modern technology is not only confusing for older people, but also for the young ones too.
Camera recording.
Hi!
In today's video, we'll take a look at more incredible moments caught on doorbell cameras, which are hands down the best type of camera to capture unexpected moments. Now, let's get it on! Sometimes I wonder how certain people even got their driver's license in the first place. I think mom and dad have some explaining to do.
Ma,
Yeah, puppy.
do we have a cat?
No, why would you say we have a cat?
Because Dad last night was saying, oh, I'm going to beat that kitty, baby. Why would Dad even want to hurt a cat?
What are you listening to? What happened? Nobody was saying something.
You need
about
to be
a cat.
in bed, all right?
Go
Go
to
inside.
bed. Go to bed.
Jesus.
What asshole.
Well, I guess now they know which turkey to choose for Thanksgiving. Maybe this was a sign to stop drinking. When a band randomly passed by this boy playing basketball, he certainly did not disappoint them. This poor man will never get home from work. This delivery guy decided to deliver more than just the food.
Here's your soup. Feel better.
This little genius is definitely living in the future. With some quick thinking, this girl made the save of the decade. Just a slight speed bump. Some days are just worse than others. This woman was in so much of a hurry that she couldn't waste time putting the pizza down to open the door. Well, I guess she didn't save as much time as she had expected because now she's got to order a whole nother pizza. This porch pirate got a little confused and stole the delivery driver instead of the package. This sneaky little pupper thought he could get away with stealing from his neighbor. Even though the world may be filled with evil, there are still some people out there with a good heart. And one of them is this delivery driver who stopped to play basketball with a kid who was playing by himself.
Oh yeah, I'm like that. There it is. Oh!
When this airline pilot goes on a work trip, he's often gone for a long time. So one morning, before leaving, he left his wife an amazing surprise on the doorbell camera. This dog loves the new rug and can't contain his happiness. When this homeowner was drinking his morning coffee, a huge bear suddenly lumbered onto his deck in search of a delicious snack. When you're tired after work, the brain doesn't always function quite properly. What better way to spend some quality time with your daughter than by pranking the rest of the family? This man's got a weapon of mass destruction.
I just cleaned it!
Bless you.
What?
What's up, bro?
Oh my god.
This girl hit a perfect home run. Animals are often much more intelligent than you think. So when this goat performed his incredible escape, no one would have believed it if it wasn't caught on camera. You know, it's always best to learn how to brake before you start riding.
Ow! You're supposed to. I did put the brake as soon as I hit the tree.
Well, I guess sometimes learning the hard way is the only way. Well, on the bright side, at least she didn't spill her drink. When this girl was at her boyfriend's house, she went outside to get some air, or rather to let some air out. She thought she had got away with it, when in reality, it was all caught on his doorbell camera. This delivery driver somehow thought the birdhouse was a package receptacle. To be fair though, who even puts a birdhouse by their front door? I guess she got her revenge. Nothing to see here, just a unicorn clearing snow off the sidewalk. This homeowner was at home in his bedroom when he received a motion alert on his phone in the middle of the night. He checked the live view on his Ring app and saw 3 masked guys trying to enter his home. But thanks to a built-in speaker on the doorbell camera, he could quickly scare them away. Let's be honest, sometimes easy things are just hard. Just ask this dad who could not figure out how to fold up the baby stroller to put it in the car.
Pull the black things towards you. Nope, the little... Yeah.
Oh my god. That is like stupid simple but complicated.
Oh, careful. The other side has a bar that's stopping it. No. See, the bar. You just touched it. No, Jesse. No. Right there. There's a gray bar.
There you go. This thing?
No. The button off.
I hate you.
I tried telling you.
It's not a gray bar, it's a little clip.
Doorbell cameras can also be used to confuse animals. Just check out this puppy's hilarious reaction.
Back up. Back up. Back up. Where you going? Come up here. Come here. Go pee. Oh, Buttercup, you're so funny, bro. Why that thing talking to me? It's weird. Alright, bye, Buttercup.
If you don't have anyone to play with, you've got to learn to This homeowner woke up at 3 a.m. to a motion alert. She thought she was still dreaming until she looked out the window. If they ain't crying, they ain't learning. This car said, "Alright, I'll pick you back up later." This has got to be the best delivery driver of all time.
You want some? I said it right here. Is that enchiladas?
You smell that?
Oh, it smells good though.
You want burrito?
Stop playing. If it's ready, I'll take one, please. Oh my goodness. You said Dada? You said Dada? He's like Dada.
Oh.
That's your favorite? Yeah.
I don't think these guys will come back after this happened. This squirrel is having the time of his life. This kid stole something very unexpected from his babysitters.
I got you something.
What do you mean you got me something?
I did. What the? Hold on. Bourbon.
You took bourbon from them?
Yeah?
Why?
Because I know you like bourbon.
Josh, you can't just take. I mean, I do like it, but you can't just take it from them.
But do you like it?
This woman was trying to be sneaky and steal one of the packages, but didn't know there was a doorbell camera right in front of her the whole time.
Can I help you with something?
Can I get a drink of water, please?
You're on camera.
Huh?
You're on camera. You better walk away now.
Okay.
Yo! Yo! Yo!
Here's why you shouldn't swim during a storm. These sneaky chickens tried to cross the road, but their owner wasn't having it.
Get in the backyard now.
This doorbell camera captured the wholesome moment when a grandpa surprised his two grandsons.
Hi, guys. I knew it. I knew it. You kicked me. You lied.
Come here. You're my boy. I miss you guys. I was so happy to see you. I couldn't wait to see you guys.
Make sure to comment down below which of these clips was your favorite. And please leave a thumbs up on the video and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on. Also, make sure to check out our other awesome videos. See you next time!